Okay, Cannon, it's your favorite truck book. Let's identify all the trucks. Where is the giant excavator? There it is. Where is the backhoe loader? Where's the backhoe loader? Oh, you hear the ice cream truck? I know you like to dance. I don't hear him as much. Yeah, I think he went bye-bye. Oh, wait, there he is.
Bamboo.
Yes, a panda eats bamboo. Cannon, where's the backhoe loader? There it is. Where is the green delivery truck? Yes. And where is the red garbage truck? Very nicely done. And on that page as well. Cannon, where is the skid steer? Very good. Where is the cement mixer? There it is. And there. And where is the car transporter? Very good. And where is the fuel truck? Very good. And there it is again. Very good. Now, Cannon, where is the tractor? Yes. And where is the bus? Are we done with this page? Okay, we're done. Cannon, where is the bulldozer? There it is. Where's the yellow fire truck? Cannon, the yellow fire truck. Oh, you're pointing to a... Oh, that is a fire truck on the cover of your other book. That one's red. That fire truck on your book is red. That one's the yellow one, correct. And where is the tractor? Very good. And where is the bulldozer? Is there a bulldozer in that book? What about in front of you? Where is the bulldozer? Yes. And where is the police tow truck? Oh, very good. It was on that page. And it's on that page too. You are such a little smarty. Love you.